Welcome back to Big Mouth Media, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to boost your online presence. I'm Jamie, and today we're diving into how you can get your business listed on Google Business Profile. Let's get your business on the map. First off, why Google Business Profile? Well, it puts your business info right where people are searching on Google and Maps. From your hours to customer reviews, it's key for local SEO and helping customers find you. Step one, head over to google.com/business and sign in with your Google account. No account? No problem. Creating one is easy and free. Next, click Manage Now and enter your business name. If it doesn't show up, click Add Your Business to Google. Fill in all the details, your business name, category, location, and contact info. Accuracy is key here, so double check everything. Step 4, verification. There are a couple ways Google may want to verify your business. To verify your business, Google may send a postcard with a code to your business address. Enter this code in your business profile to verify ownership. Another way is to log into your Google profile and take a video, including 3 main criteria using your phone. So at this point is where you want to start to record, and you're going to also upload your video. Important, create a plan for what you'll show in your video. Make sure it meets the requirements that I'm going to go over here. Mobile device, you want to have an unedited, unique, and one continuous recording without breaks. Show the location of your business. Capture the official street and number signs, nearby businesses, or the area around your business that shows your business is at the correct Google Maps location. For businesses with a physical location, show evidence that your business exists. Capture the storefront, showroom, or business signage. For service providers, record equipment or other items related to your business. Capture the products for sale, branded equipment that you may be using, marketing materials, or tools you use to serve your customers. Demonstrate proof of management. You can show that you're authorized to represent your business by recording employee-only items or areas. Record yourself opening a cash register, accessing a point of sale system, unlocking the staff room, unlocking your truck, which may have signage on it, unlock the kitchen or storage room. And once you're done with that, you're going to upload your video to Google. And it's pretty easy to do. Once you're done with that, you should have verification within minutes. Sometimes it can take a few days, but usually if you do a good job, everything's clearly marked as yours and you are in control of that business, you'll get verified sometimes within 15-20 minutes. Step 5, optimize your profile. Once verified, it's time to optimize. Add photos, your website, hours. The more complete your profile, the better. A few pro tips. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Regularly update your profile and use the questions and answers feature to engage with potential customers. This boosts your visibility and engagement. And that's it. You're now ready to get listed on Google Business Profile and drive more customers to your business. For more tips and digital marketing strategies, subscribe to Big Mouth Media. Drop your questions below, and we might feature them in our next video. Until then, keep making noise online. Have a great day, everybody, and keep getting found on Google.